Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you've been here before, it's Rita, and I'm so thrilled to have you here today. So guys, today I am going to be showing you a simple and easy way to detangle your hair without having to break back. Yeah, you heard me. Something simple, something easy. If you've been here a while, then you know that I'm all about the herbs these days. So I'm going to show you a simple herb that you can use to detangle your hair, and trust me, it is amazing. But first, let's get into the intro. Welcome back. So here you can see I have my ambunu herb. Yes, in case you've been wondering what herb that is, it is ambunu. And I have a mixing cup here, and I also have hot water which I'm going to use to mix the herb. So I'm taking 2 spoons of this powder. Yes, I'm using the powdered form. So I'm taking 2 spoons, putting it in my mixing cup, and then adding some hot water into that. So guys, this thing is really slimy and jelly and just soft and beautiful. Yeah, but you'll see. So I added my hot water into the powder, and I gave it a good mix, though it had some lumps in it. And guys, I do not have the patience for these lumps, as you can see, but I worked with it anyway. So yeah, that's something you can take note of. It's going to lump up, and just, well, work with it, enjoy it. Yeah, so I had to add more hot water into this guy because it looked like it wasn't going to be enough, and I wasn't sure what amount of gel I was going to get, so I added some hot water. So and look at me struggling with those lumps. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Okay, so moving on, guys. If this is your first time on this channel, you are highly welcome. I am so excited to have you here. So welcome to this family, welcome to this group, welcome to this beautiful place packed with amazing value and content. Don't forget to support your girl by hitting the subscribe icon. Also hit the bell icon so that you are notified whenever I have a new video up. Don't forget to also check out my other videos. Drop your girl a comment, give this video a thumbs up, you know what I mean. Just show your girl some love, y'all. Show your girl some love. After mixing that beautiful herb, I let it sit for a few minutes just so it can cool down before I strain, because I am not about to put my hand in something hot. Hell no. So I let it sit for a few minutes, and then I went on to strain. So I had to get me gloves before I could work on this, because I wanted to show you guys something, very important. So I strained into this beautiful jar, and after I was done straining, take a good look at this. Can you see that? Can you see that? Yo, this guy had particles in it, like tiny weeny little particles in it. And well, I didn't mind because I went on to shampoo my hair after that. This is just the tangling phase. But guys, if you are not comfortable with this, I'll suggest you use the dried leaves instead of the powdered form. Just something you should take note of. You know, I've got your back, right? Okay, so this is what it looked like. This is what my mixture looked like after it has been strained. And yeah, I'll just go on to application. It is now time for application. As you can see, I just got my hair out of some twists. I did nothing to the hair. I didn't even put or spray any water on it. It's just as dry as it was when I took it out of my twist. So it's extremely dry. But anyways, I went on to apply the ambunu extract into my hair, all the way from the scalp, from roots to tips. I was generous with it, and it could be a little messy, so you want to take note of that and use an applicator bottle. So yeah, don't mind the direction of my eyes. My mirror is just over there. Okay, so yeah, that's basically it. Use an applicator bottle so that you reduce the messiness of this beautiful extract. But aside from that, it was just extremely beautiful. So by the time I was done applying this extract all over my hair was already hydrated, it was already soft, it was already detangled. So all I did was to go in with my tangle teaser. As you can see, I didn't have to finger detangle for long. I just had to separate some strands because my hair was just taken out of a twist, so nothing much was done. And I went in with my tangle teaser, and yo, there were no lumps, there were no, it was just beautiful. It is just beautiful. So if you haven't tried this in your hair, if you haven't tried this at all to detangle your hair, you really want to try it. I will not suggest using it as a leave-in, especially if you're using the powder form, because of the particles that still pass through at the end of the day after you have strained. But if you're using the leaves, I think you can go ahead and use this as a leave-in, but you will have to re-moisturize your hair in like a few days because it is basically liquid and it could dry off really fast. Yeah, that's it. As you can see, I put my hair into twists like I like to before I go on and wash, and you'll see how juicy and bouncy that was. Oh god, this is a fantastic hair. It is a must try. Just give it a shot and come back to the comment section, okay? Yeah, so this is me. This is what my hair looked like after I had finished the process of detangling. It didn't take so long, I promise, and it's just fantastic. See how juicy the twists are, and my hair just looking so full and very glorious. Yes, now I'm bragging. Oh my goodness. Okay, so yeah guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also check out my other videos, drop your girl a comment, and of course hit the subscribe icon if you haven't. Don't forget to hit the bell icon also so that you're notified whenever I have a new video out. Thank you so much for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, I remain Rita Ralph and you remain colorfully blessed. Bye.